Hindi ba nakakahiya maging miyembro ng Kongreso dahil parang naging normal na meron tayong isang kasamahan na inakusahan na nagbayad para sa mahigit 100 billion pesos ng mga kontrata sa DPWH?
Natatawa lang ako pag sinasabing si Diskaya ay mayroong 42 sasakyan. Ganito kayaman si Diskaya. Si Diskaya, ganito lang si Diskaya kumpara sa kayamanan ng Guardiola.
Inuuna natin ang kaso niya kaysa sa mga mas seryosong isyung kinakaharap ng isa sa mga kasamahan natin. Isang kapwa kong Batanggenyo na nandito ngayon na bumoto sa kaso ni Congressman Barzaga. Hindi ba nakakahiya maging miyembro ng Kongreso dahil parang naging normal na meron tayong isang kasamahan na inakusahan na nagbayad para sa mahigit 100 billion pesos ng mga kontrata sa DPWH? Para bang tinatanggap natin na normal lang magkaroon ng kasamahan na iniugnay sa pagnanakaw ng bilyong-bilyong piso na hindi iniimbestigahan na ng Committee on Ethics, Public Works o Infracom, samantalang inuunan natin ang kaso ni Congressman Barzaga?
Congressmen were asked to attend session to vote on the suspension of Congressman Barzaga. That's why there was a high attendance on session on Monday. And to go back to why I took a selfie with Congressman Garjola. To recap, it was the first time that I saw him in the plenary session after 3 months. He was in the middle of the entrance when I walked in, and then I walked to my seat, which is next to his seat, and I tried to talk to him because he told me on the phone previously na mag-usap tayo kasama ni Speaker. And if I can express, I was hoping to hear him respond to the allegations. And he attended session and walked around the session hall talking to other members of Congress as if nothing happened, as if it was normal for someone to be accused of billions of pesos of corruption and not give any explanation or response to the allegations. And I found it tragic that inuna pa natin ang kaso ni Congressman Barzaga bago umaksyon ng Kongreso sa mga aligasyon, kahit gumawa ng investigasyon tungkol sa mga aligasyon sa mga DPWH projects ni Congressman Garjola.
Pinakamalaking contractor daw o congressman na contractor ngayon si CWS Party List Representative Edwin Guardiola. Base sa impormasyong nakuha ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste, abot daw sa 20 billion pesos na DPWH projects ang napunta sa mga kumpanyang konektado kay Guardiola.
The largest contractor now in Congress is Congressman Edwin Guardiola. The 20B of projects in the CENTI 20 list as of August 2024 were all awarded to these Guardiola-linked companies. I know that the Redicon trading projects in TUI are proposed by Congressman Garjola because he called me asking for help for the local government to accept the asphalt specifications for the project. I will wait to see if a case will be filed on Congressman Garjola in the coming weeks to give them the benefit of the doubt.
Tadum